Paul Anka has been one of those people who have never been celebrated for what they really did, because all the songs that he ever wrote was always made famous by other singers. For example, She's a Lady, that was sung by Tom Jones, is still such a big hit, but nobody even knows it's written by Paul Anka. He's also co-hosted a lot of programs and also written songs and also gigs for some TV programs that nobody even thought was possible back then. For example, The Tonight Show of Johnny Carson. He is known to be a big fan of Michael Jackson and also co-wrote a lot of his songs.
Michael Jackson.
This is it. Here I stand. I'm the light of the world, love you grin. In this love I can feel, and I know, yes, for sure it is real. And it seems as though I've seen your face 1,000 times, and you know that you see my face before.
You've seen it.
And you said that you don't want me here around. Many times I'm gonna do it much more. Oh yeah, I never heard a single word about you. Falling in love wasn't my plan.
I never thought